This is now the result of my concrete DIY molding. A simple design, and here's the other side, guys. So all you have to do is just create a molding, and here's what I did, guys. I just finished it with cement. I just plastered this and I erected a little bit so I can put this molding concrete. And what I'm doing here is grouting using pure cement, and after that we're going to applying now the mixture of cement and sand and the molding I made. So I just put a plywood on top with bar level, so every time you put a mixture of cement you need to do this. So you need a lot of more patience to do this, guys. It's my first time to make a concrete molding, and if I were you, just make a precast, the easiest way, but I don't want to cut concrete. That's why I'd rather to do this instead of a precast. A precast is the easiest way. And here is it now, guys. So just a sandpaper will do the roughness of my work to make it fine. By the way, guys, this house is for sale, and the design is I made myself, exterior and interior. I have a design for the ceiling, a bathtub, and here's the gate now. So with a jetmatic aircon and a solar setup. If you wish to buy this, guys, it's only a 3.5 million pesos. If you are interested, just reach me out and we're going to talk about proceed with the paperwork, because we're moving out as soon as you buy these properties, and I'm going to raise a business not in this place, because creating or establishing a business in this area is prohibited, because this is a full residential subdivision. So we're moving out as soon as you buy this, guys. And here is the design I said, with a bathtub on it, and it's a 2-story house. You can buy this without the 3 solar, jetmatic and aircon with a 3.2 price, but 3.5 all in all, including lights and cabinets. So what are you waiting for?